Okay, go ahead.
Oh!
How's your ankle too? There we go.
License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
Alright, roll on your side. Which sides?
Oh, Lord. Mommy.
Mom. Alright, stand up. Face that way. Both hands here.
Cervical spine. Going into the thoracic. In here a little tight. Okay. So a little bit of tenderness in that upper thoracic area. Now we're going through that mid back. Okay. Okay. Any pain over that right SI joint?
Nope.
Good. Any pain directly over the sacrum?
Nope.
And the left side?
No.
Okay. Left side. Good. That just opened up real nice there. Do a T2 on the right. There we go. Breath in. Exhale out. There we go. I was moving before you even thrusted. All right, one more time. Deep breath in and out. There we go. Just drop down a little bit more. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay, to midline like that. One more. Good. Uncross. One more. There we go.
Yeah, put that in the lower back.
Squeeze your elbows together. Good. And relax. Breath in. And exhale out. There we go. Alright. Relax right there.
Woo!
Now sometimes when you have these very disc and off of the nerves and the inflammation starts calming down, because they told him already that he needs to have back surgery, but he's down here T5 all the way down to T2. Now I've got to get sometimes. Okay, let's put both hands down. There. I'm adjusting his shoulders, his clavicles, and the anterior ribs here. I'll take your hands on your stomach. And let me have your leg here. Go limp. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee. I got you. Let this go. Nope. Let it go. There you go. You should have felt that on the mirror. Okay, relax this. No, keep looking straight ahead. I was just talking to myself there. There we go. Okay, y'all let go of everything. Let me do it, okay? Sure. Don't try to help me. I don't need your help. That's it. Better. See, been adjusting all these little joints will affect the proprioceptive neurological bombardment into your cerebellum, helping to override the pain gate, which will provide you some relief as well.
Yeah.
Your nose, where you left big toe. There it is. Yes, sir. I know you felt that all the way down. Okay, let me have your neck. No, let it go. Let it go. Where you right big toe. There you go. There you are. Good.